To disable emails for recommended accounts on Twitter using your PC, follow these simple steps. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your account preferences. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Email Notifications. Look for the section related to updates from Twitter. In the Updates section, make sure to uncheck the box next to Suggestions for recommended accounts to stop receiving these specific email notifications. Once you have deselected this option, click on Save Changes to confirm and apply your updated email notification settings. By following these steps, you can easily manage your email preferences on Twitter and tailor your account notifications to your liking. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your email settings on Twitter. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.